Chaguanas. Caroni Bird Sanctuary, a matter of fact. Getting ready to tour. Yeah.
The whole area is Caroni Swamp, and Caroni Swamp is the land depression south of the Northern Red Mountains. Here is approximately 40 square miles and the area is tidal. The difference between high and low tide is about 3 feet. We have a rising tide. So it's becoming a bit tight, and later on the water will be higher, right? And the snakes will be a little lower.
Oh, God,
right? So the trees are all mangrove trees. And the dominant species are those right around. The long things are roots. It starts from way on top, come down, stick into the mud. That's for breeding, feeding, and keeping the tree firm. Later on, we may see some shells in the root, but the water will be high, so it will be harder. Those are the oysters. They are crabs, barnacles, snakes, iguanas. All the things will be on the trees. So those are red mangrove. We have two other kinds. This one right here, to our left. You see the roots coming up. So it's the opposite of those. This is black mangrove and white. The brown one that's leading there is white, and this is black. And these stay in the higher areas. So those straight brown ones in front there, all those are white. But these stay in the higher areas because the roots is called alligators. That's the local name. What we really have is spectacled caiman. They get about 7-8 feet. You see them on the side or the higher areas. A lot of crabs. All the holes on the side, the smaller holes, and the holes are the fiddler crabs. That's one of the main diets for the birds in here. And the bigger holes are the holes of the blue land crab. We use for the callaloo and curry crab and dumpling. In the water, we have Atlantic swimming crab. These on the trees like spiders on the roots. That's the biggest and get tree climbing crabs. The birds also feed on them. We also have the mangrove crab or hairy crab. A big brown crab, you get them all inside the mangrove. This canal, it goes straight down to the Gulf of Paria. In high tide, where we start about 5 to 6 feet deep as we go along, get deeper and wider. Further down, we make a left turn. Deepest part is about 45 feet deep. Highway down by the Gulf of Paria. We're not going quite down there. Here's a big nuisance for mushes here in the Gulf of Paria. During the rainy season time, from June to December when plenty rain fall, a lot of fresh water pass through, go out in the Gulf, keep the salinity low, fishing in low salinity water and nest. So fish from all over come to nest. Groupers, snappers, tarpon, mullet, smokes, all these things. The rain started to fall now. So shortly, all now we can say it's rainy season start. Normally it starts around February. Although I say June, but officially it's from June to December. Biggest grouper we caught in here was over 300 pounds. Biggest tarpon over 250 pounds. That's fish I saw with my own eyes. So I tell you what I saw. Because when somebody see. Fishes I saw caught right here. We also have tiger lizard, mongoose, raccoons, iguanas. In Caroni Swamp, we have about 180 species of birds. The most common ones, the white ones are egrets, the blue ones are herons, and the main attraction, the red one, Scarlet Ibis, but we will see other types there, so the owl there, right? We should see other species as we go along. So that's it. Any questions?
Big one.
Just take it first from here and then after that.
Oh.
Snapper.
A snapper? That's big.
There must be pirates.
Cool again.